Okay, hello everyone. Today we want to present our research paper with title Utility-Based Travel Planning Optimization using heuristic and meta-heuristic algorithm with time window constraint. But before of that, we want to introduce ourselves. We are from Bina Nusantara University. My name is Octavianus Kimionata with student ID 2802540055.
And my name is Samuel Christian Chandra with student ID 28025397753.
Okay, now for the background why we choose this problem is tourist dilemma. When tourist is going to a new place, they often face the challenge of selecting only a subset of attractive destinations from many available options because of the limited travel time. And beyond the short distance, travel itinerary planning should maximize the destination utility and overall tourist satisfaction rather than just minimizing the travel distance. And the combinational complexity. The research space grows exponentially as the number candidate of the destinations is increasing. And for the real-world constraint here, we choose three constraints here, which is time window constraint. So the tourist can only visit the destinations between the opening and closing time. And for the time limit here is the total travel duration cannot be more than the predefined time limit. And maximum destination here is the number of visited destination is limited by the maximum destination. And for the research objective and main contribution here is we developed utility-aware nearest neighbor or UANN plus 2OPT as a heuristic framework. So we implement the 2OPT local search to reduce travel distance without modifying the selected destinations. And we integrate the three hard constraints that I said before. And we compare the proposed heuristic approach with genetic algorithm as a benchmark. And for the research framework and system pipeline here is, the first is we prepare the data. We use a synthetic data set with ratings, review counts, operating hour, visit duration, and spatial coordinates. And for the utility calculation here, we use min-max normalization for destination ratings and popularity. And we construct the initial route using UANN, or I said before is utility-aware nearest neighbor. And then we improve the route using 2OPT local search. And lastly, we evaluate the performance using genetic algorithm. Now is the utility calculation. So we normalize the rating and popularity using min-max algorithm. So the scale is now the same. Because now the scale is same, so we can just add the rating normalized and popularity normalized to get the utility of each destination. And for the total utility of route that we already construct is just summarize all the utility. And now is for the hard constraint formulation. The three hard constraints that I talked before and constraint enforcement. The constraint enforcement that we made is total time cannot be more than the time limit. And the arrival time must be in between opening and closing time. And visit destination must be cannot be more than the maximum destination that already predefined before. And now is for the experimental setting. So we generate 50 tourist destinations using fixed random seed for reproducibility, where each destination has rating scale from 1 to 5, and review count is 100 to 10,000 reviews. Visit duration 1 until 3 hours per destination. Operating hour is opening at 8 until 10 o'clock, and closing time is 8 until 10 hours after the opening time. And for the coordinate range here is minus 20 until 20, and constant parameters input. Here is start time at 8 o'clock, average travel speed is 30 units per hour, time limit 10 hours, and maximum destination is 5.
Okay, next, for our proposed method, which is utility-aware nearest neighbor. For the procedure, for each visible and unvisited destination, the selection score is computed as the ratio between destination utility and travel distance from the current location. So this is how we choose our destination. If the utility is big and the distance is not too far, the destination more likely to be chosen. And this process continues until max destination is reached or no visible destination remains. And next, for our route improvement from the UANN. So we add 2OPT to our UANN, and the procedure, the 2OPT algorithm repeatedly exchanges route segments to reduce the total travel distance. And a new route is accepted only if it shortens the travel distance without violating any hard constraint. And the 2OPT algorithm reorders the visiting sequence without replacing the selected destination. Therefore, the utility remains unchanged. So now for the benchmark meta-heuristic, which is genetic algorithm. So for the parameter settings, the procedure is an initial chromosome population evolved through selection, crossover, and mutation for 100 generations. And this is the parameter that we use for the genetic algorithm. And for the repair mechanism, the procedure is the chromosome that violated the time window, time limit, or max destination constraint are repaired by iteratively removing destination from the end of the route until all hard constraints are satisfied. So this is our performance comparison. As you can see, the utility awareness neighbor and the utility awareness neighbor plus 2OPT. The 2OPT one has a shortest distance and less travel time. It means the 2OPT successfully minimized the distance and the travel time from utility aware nearest neighbor. And you can see that genetic algorithm has a highest utility and the highest distance because the genetic algorithm search destination for in a larger area than utility aware nearest neighbor. And the execution time, the genetic algorithm is slower than utility aware nearest neighbor. Okay, so this is our trade-off analysis. The 2OPT algorithm reduces the total travel distance by 14.86%. And the proposed UANN plus 2OPT is have a faster execution by 320 times than genetic algorithm. And the genetic algorithm achieves nearly twice the destination utility, but produce considerably longer routes and require more computation time. So for the main conclusion, the proposed UANN plus 2OPT approach provides a practical trade-off between destination utility and travel efficiency, making it suitable for real-time tourism itinerary planning under strict travel constraints. And we have made 3 future work. The first one, integrate real-world map service like Google Maps, API, or OpenStreetMap to obtain realistic travel distance and travel times. Second, incorporate historical tourist behavior to support personalized itinerary recommendation. And the third one, conduct sensitivity analysis on different time limit and max destination configurations. And that's all. Thank you.